How to fix lag and Wi-Fi error on Brawl Stars. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Brawl Stars is lagging or having Wi-Fi error. So before we begin, I want you to head down below to give our video a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's begin. So the very first thing that you have to make sure is you have a stable internet connection. In order to check that, you can run any other apps on your phone that has internet access other than Brawl Stars to see if your Wi-Fi network is working. And if your Wi-Fi network is working but your Brawl Star is still having trouble with your connection, then what you will have to do is first go ahead and open up your phone settings and tap on connections. From here, you just want to head over to your Wi-Fi network and turn it off. Then forget your Wi-Fi network. And after that, you can rejoin the network after giving your router a quick restart. And if that still doesn't work, then what you can do is try to switch to cellular data. And if you're using cellular data, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi network. After that, your problem should pretty much be fixed. But if it still does not fix, then what you'll have to do is go ahead and open your app settings and search for Brawl Stars right here. Once you find Brawl Stars, you will just have to go ahead and clear its cache. So just clear all of the cache because sometimes the junk files might be causing the problem, and once you clear them out, it should be good to go. Now, if you haven't allowed any of these permissions, you should do that as well. And on your battery, you have to make it to unrestricted so the background activity is not restricted by your phone. And after that, give your phone a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.